We had everything just like we wanted, but Elder Reese, he had to go and give a baptismal interview somewhere else. And so because of that, we had to do kind of an emergency exchange real quick where Elder Hallam came with me.
And we just went over real quick in the car what we were going to teach. We're going to teach on how they needed to live the law of chastity. We weren't too prepared as far as who was going to say what.
We've been talking a lot about that law of chastity that we're living.
It was a little shaky as far as the teaching at first.
Those first 5 minutes were brutal. They were really rough. Are you familiar with much of, the work? I mean, not necessarily in detail, but obviously I'm sure you've heard a lot of the stories. Before we really get going on that, Brother Lee, what would you like to tell us a little bit?
We should make babies, probably, because that's what we do.
That's the perfect answer. It makes sense, right?
Yeah, it does. But I was a baby. I don't even remember it.
Does anyone disagree with that at all?
No. So when can I get baptized?
Start living the law of chastity right now, and then you're baptized.
Jackie, do you have any questions about that, or does it make sense?
It makes sense, yeah.
I don't feel like we did a whole lot. That's just that perfect example right there of why we plan for things like that.
It ended up very well.